Hello students, in this video we will continue the further topics of chapter heat. Today I am going to explain the topic convection. What is convection and its definition and explanation also. Definition: convection is the transfer of heat from the hotter parts of a liquid to its colder part by the movement of the liquid itself. The method of this is definition, and further point is the method of transferring heat by the movement of the particles of substance away from the source of heat is known as convection. It takes place only in liquid and gases. On heating the water, part of it near the flame gets heated up and expands, due to which it becomes less dense and consequently rises up. And further topic is this creates a vacuum and the cold water from the side slides down to occupy the space near the flame. And I am going to next point, which is very important. This water also gets heated up and rises. Again the cold water slides down, so it is like a cycle that continues again and again until and unless the entire water is heated up. This process continues unless the whole water present in the beaker gets heated up. The air too gets heated up by this process. The air near the heater source gets heated up and rises. The cold air side slides to occupy the space. In this way, the air gets heated. We can understand with the help of this diagram from the beaker. This is beaker and beaker containing water, and let's concentrate the sign of arrow. Hot water rises gradually and cold water sinks. This is direction of convection. This is burner and this is the flame of heat, and we supply the heat and water will be hot. Convection in air. Next topic is convection in air. Air is a very poor conductor of heat. So, air cannot transfer heat by the process of conduction. Air transfers heat from its hotter parts to colder parts by the process of convection. Is it clear? That means convection takes place in air, liquids and gases. In order to heat air in a room during winter, we keep the heater on the floor. Now through the heater is placed on the floor at the bottom of the room, but it still heats all the air in the room. Actually, when air is heated by the heater, in one part of the room, it transfers heat by convection. This happens as follows. When the heater kept on the floor in a room is switched on, the air near the heater gets heated, expands and becomes lighter. This hot air rises above the top of the heater and carries its heat along with it. The cold air from above sinks downwards to the bottom of the heater to take the place of hotter rising air. This cold air also gets heated by the heater and rises upwards, carrying its heat upwards, and more cold air sinks downwards towards the heater. This process of hot air rising upwards and cold air sinking downwards takes place again and again, due to which all the air in the room gets heated uniformly after some time. The air in a room is heated by convection currents. This is diagram of convection currents. Room, this is heater, and hot air rises and cold air sinks. Your topic is over. We will discuss the next topic in the next class. Please like my video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.